What up, y'all? So while I'm here, I figured I'd make a quick video showing how to do the LED lights that light up these vents on these Corvettes. So I did one, what was this? It's been a while. Maybe like a couple months or something like that, I think. But I did a base C6, so now I got a Grand Sport in. But this is what you need. This is a lighting trans kit, so this is the Flow series, but this is the 12-inch Flow. This is actually the DRL tube that they make because it's waterproof. So I originally was just gonna do the Flex LEDs from them, but those weren't waterproof, so I got the DRLs. But all you gotta do, I'll show you on this side. So this wheel well, and I think the base is a little different, but it should be 3 push-ins. So this one only got 2 over here. There's the push-ins right there, and then it's some 7mm bolts down here. So you got one there, you got one there, and then on the other side it's a push-in right there, but this one didn't have the push-in. So once you get all of those loose, I got them loose over here, so that's why I'm over here. But it's 5 press-in things that go into the fender. So you just pop these out, pop like so. You see that right there? So you just reach around till you find where the next one is, pop it out, pop one more out, and then it's got this little hook to hook it in. So once you do that, you got this whole deal out. I'll lay this right here so it's not in the way. Now you still can't really see. Well, I guess you can see. You can't see as much on the other side. I had the wheel turned the other way. But all you do now is clean off all of this space up here. So which is really right here. So you clean off the back side of this and get you a towel, some alcohol, wipe it clean, dry it off. And your strip is basically gonna go from here on down. And all of this is gonna be covered up once you put everything back together. So all the light really has no choice but to shine outward, which will shine through this vent, and eventually out of this one right here. So this whole thing will glow. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some alcohol on this towel, wipe this stuff clean, let it dry, and stick that tube on there. And after that, it's really just finding a way to route that wire. On this side, you can bring it, you can see the light right there. So just drop your wires down through there. You can pull them out right over here. So that'll get your wires. On this side, the wires come up through this little hole beside the battery. So that's where you get them up. So no holes have to be drilled for that. All of this is going on the control box, so eventually it'll be a switch on the inside to flip all of this stuff on, because this car is getting halos too, so headlights over here. But that'll be different video if you want to see that. I'll probably link it at the end of this whenever I finish them. But yeah, you can hook them up wherever you want, but these will be on a switch once it's done. So let me go ahead and get this side wired up, and then I'll flip to, I guess, nighttime once it's hooked up so you can see it. All right, so LED strip is in. So as you can see, that's taped on there. Yeah, can't really see it from that angle. My bad for the upside down. But anyway, wires, where are we? Wires right here that go across, that come up and out over this washer fluid tank, and it's gonna be wired like across that way to get to the control box over there, which will have the strips and the halos and all of that. Headlight halos, fog light halos, so all of that. This is Mustang stuff, but yeah, I think this is the fog light I did yesterday. So halo fogs, halo fogs, So it's just time to bust these open. I got new lenses in the trunk for these, new gaskets. Then we got to do underglow on here, so it's a lot going on. New side markers going with the Oracle. Is it Oracle? I don't know if it's Oracle or what, but something. But it's the one with the LED bar going all the way across. So yeah, got a lot, but that'll be something for a different video. This is about the side vents, so like I said, fast forward to nighttime so y'all can see how these look. So now y'all can see what these vents look like. Nice little color shift glow. It's not crazy strong, but it's the perfect glow. Like it's sitting in there just enough to glow out without jumping right at you, so you can't actually see where the strip is, but you get the glow perfect out of every opening. Chasing patterns and all this Bluetooth control from the phone, so I'm recording on my phone, so I can't switch it right now. So I got it on like the demo mode or whatever. But yeah, vents are done. Next up is putting the headlights in, which they're finished. I just gotta, yeah, there you go. Headlights are finished. I just gotta put them back in the car, connect all the wires. But that's it for the vents, and yeah, I'll catch y'all on the next one.